please? Very funny, SpongeBob.
What?
And the lights will flicker on and off. I get it.
Hey, Squidward, how are you doing that without moving the switch?
I'm not doing it. It must be the... What? Hello?
SpongeBob, come in, SpongeBob. Answer. I'm scared.
Hello?
I want to go home.
Hello?
He's just standing there, menacingly. It's the maniac.
Calm down. All right, what was it? There was the lights and the phone. The stars ringing, the flash singing, the bash pinging.
Ass-slinging slasher!
At last you understand, we're doomed.
No, that's not it. I am just so touched that you would go to the trouble to dress up as a ghostly fry cook and stand on the other side of the street just to entertain me. You must really like me.
SpongeBob, there are two problems with your theory. One, I hate you. And two, how can that be me when I'm standing right here? Singing slasher! No matter what I've said, I've always sort of liked you.
Squidward, I used your clarinet to unclog my toilet.